Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the PC and hardware. Confirm Windows 10/11 or Linux and download drivers if needed, drivers speed detection and stability. Once done, disable other wireless adapters to avoid conflicts and plug the Zebronics Wi-Fi USB mini adapter into a rear USB 3.0 port for best power. You want the system to recognize new hardware, watch Device Manager or LSUSP immediately. If a driver prompt appears, choose the downloaded driver or let the OS search automatically. This reduces manual configuration later. Now install and configure. Run the Zebronics driver installer or open Device Manager to update drivers. This ensures the adapter uses proper firmware and performance features. Once drivers are active, open Network Settings, choose the new adapter, pick your SSID, and set security to WPA2 or WPA3. Strong encryption matters for privacy. Enter the password carefully, then check IP settings. Use DHCP unless a static IP is required. Also adjust power options to prevent USB suspend, finish by verifying and testing the link. Ping 888 and open a web page to confirm throughput and DNS resolution. If speeds or stability are poor, update firmware or drivers and try a different USB port. Rear ports often give cleaner power than front hubs. If you still see issues, reset the network adapter, forget the SSID and rejoin, and reseat the adapter. Antenna orientation can change signal strength. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, test the adapter on another machine to isolate hardware versus configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.